Hi, we are the Sliding on Slackers team. My name is Alitza Beltran, and I'm the team leader.
I'm Carloscar Montes, and I'm second in command.
Hi, my name is Robert Flores.
My name is Angie Gonzalez.
My name is Janette Illescas.
My name is liz.lanahan.
And my name is Roland Ramirez.
We are East Los Angeles College Engineering and Technology students. We are enrolled in Professor Artin Davidian's GE101 course in the summer 2020 session. We'll be demonstrating our final Stirling Engine design project. Okay. The diaphragm is made up of a 90-degree PVC pipe attached to the pressure chamber.
The air then expands and contracts, pushing the connecting rod, which then turns the crankshaft.
The crankshaft then creates a rotational motion to linear motion to the displacer and the diaphragm.
The flywheel is made out of CD attached to the crankshaft held by a bottle cap.
The two aluminum cans make up the cylinders.
The displacer is made of a steel wool with flux wire connecting to the crankshaft.
The working gas is then transferred from the bottom to the top of the pressure chamber.
We will now be conducting an efficiency test.
We will now be removing the heat source. We will be applying it back again.
Okay, that concludes our presentation. Thank you.